These are the TicPods free earbuds, and yes, they do look a lot like Apple's AirPods, but they might actually be the Android equivalent. So from the outset, the design definitely skirts a fine line between homage and straight up replica, but despite that, the TicPods do offer a few improvements over AirPods, especially for those that don't use iOS as their main smartphone platform. The design is a little bit more nuanced up close, with the carry case having a nice textured lid that clasps shut with magnets so your headphones won't even fall out with a heavy shake. The TicPods retain this ridged aesthetic on the stems, which are a straight up rip-off of AirPods, but with additional features and wireless controls. Swiping up and down on the stem increases or decreases volume of any media playing, with a double tap skipping a track. Tapping should pause a currently playing track, but I have found this to be spotty at best. And then long pressing activates Google Assistant, which is always a great way of controlling what playlist of tracks you want to play. Additionally, removing an earbud stops audio from playing altogether, and then replacing starts that again. In my opinion, it's a neat little addition, especially if you wear earbuds whilst at work and a colleague asks a question, not that I have that problem though. Whilst there is clearly some similarities, the design does differ from the AirPods thanks to the addition of silicone tips, which sit nicely in the ear canal. It does improve the sound and isolates a lot better than I anticipated, and I'll discuss the sound slightly later. You only get one extra set of tips in the box though, so you might want to invest in some cheap buds online to ensure you get optimum comfort levels. Once in your ear, they feel nice and snug without feeling overly stuck in, but with a reassuring fit for exercise for instance. The case, like any other wireless buds of this kind, doubles as both a storage unit and a charging base. The left and right buds sit in comfortably and pair as soon as you open the box and take the TicPods out, which adds to the ease of use. The initial pairing process is nice, quick and easy too. Just open Bluetooth settings and add the TicPods to your device. It's really nice and quick. One area I've been massively impressed is the battery life, as sometimes wireless headphones can have lackluster lifespans, but the 18-hour claim made by Mobvoi is pretty accurate from my experiences. I've charged the headphones around about twice in the 2 weeks or so that I've had them, and only as a precaution after using the headphones for around about 5 days without plugging in. The battery life on these earbuds is very good, let's put it that way. Okay, so let's talk for a minute about the core aspect of any headphones, the sound quality. I'm by no means an audio expert, I would never refer to myself as an audiophile, but I know when headphones sound terrible. That said, the TicPods 3 to my ears sound excellent, not exceptional, just a couple of steps below. I must admit I would like the bass to be a little bit beefier, but it's more than good enough. If you listen to a lot of different genres, it really does admirably with an array of music types, but I will say there are better listening experiences out there. Unfortunately, they will set you back a heck of a lot of money though. As a mainly podcast listener, I've found the TicPods to be superb. Everything sounds crisp and clear, with phone calls too being very good. You will be happy with the complete audio package on these buds. So that was it, that was a quick overview of what to expect from the TicPods 3. If you'd like to check these awesome earbuds out, then I'll leave some links down in the description alongside a link to the full written review. I'd also love to know what wireless buds you guys recommend, let me down there too and we'll do our utmost to check them out. Remember to subscribe for more Google and Android focused content just like this. But this is Damien saying thanks again for watching, and I'll speak to you later.